another episode of the 10,000 Trades Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. In this episode, we are going to look at a bearish engulfing trade setup. A bearish engulfing trade setup is an easy to identify trade setup. It's a reversal pattern, and we're looking for price to drop once we see this setup. So let's go on to the charts and we'll take a look at how to identify this trade setup, where to enter the trade, where to place our stop loss, and as always, how to exit the trade with a profit. Here we are looking at a bearish engulfing trade setup. This is Euro-Yen 1 hour chart. A bearish engulfing candle is one that takes over or engulfs the previous price action. So this is our bearish engulfing candle. This is a bearish trade setup, which means we're looking for price to move lower after this point. So generally, we'll find this bearish engulfing candle at a support and resistance level. As we can see, price has reacted at this level before. And once price gets into this level, we get this bearish engulfing candle, which means there are no more buyers left and price is willing to move lower because the sellers have stepped in right now. So after we get this candle, we look for a bit of a pullback, or you can take an entry at the close of this candle. Our stop would go above this previous high just in case price decides to come and test this level once again. And we stay with the trade for as long as price is moving lower. Here we see that price tries to push lower, but then we have price coming back and closing above our pivot point level here, which is our S3 pivot point level. And here we can also see that price is into the next support and resistance area. So this is a good time for us to close our trade out. From entry to exit here, we get 90 pips in our trade. So just to recap, a bearish engulfing trade setup is where we see a bearish engulfing candlestick formed at an important support and resistance level. We look for this candlestick. Once we see the candlestick, we look for price to move lower. So we enter the trade short here. Our stop would go above the previous highs here, and we stay with the trade for as long as price is moving lower. Once we see that price comes into the next support and resistance level, we get a bullish candle close here, and price is not able to hold below our S3 pivot level here. We can exit the trade. From entry to exit, we get 90 pips in our trade. So our profit is 90 pips or $900 if trading one standard lot. If you'd like to learn more profitable Forex trading strategies like this one, I invite you to visit my course at tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course. In the course, I will show you how to read the candlesticks and different chart patterns. We'll do a deep dive into technical analysis, and I will show you how to read the charts properly, what trade setups you're looking for, and how do we trade these setups properly. I will also show you what are the important fundamental things that you need to pay attention to, how the different fundamental factors drive market price. I will also share with you the trading strategies that I personally use that I have found to be the most profitable. We'll also talk about trade management and how to manage your account and manage your risk so that you become a profitable trader. I will also show you tons of examples that you can go and check out so that you are able to see these trades set up in the live markets as well. As a bonus, you will get access to my pivot point indicator. If you have watched any of my videos, you know I really love trading the pivot points, so you will receive that as a special bonus. The price of the course is $497. To sign up for it, please go to tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this episode, please feel free to subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. I'll be back with another great trade setup next time.